It's spring, a joyous time for renewal and new growth. Spring cleaning of our spaces makes everything feel fresh. There is enormous power in decluttering, but we often neglect the space that needs decluttering the most, our minds. So today we're going to take a few moments to do this important work, to clear space in our lives and our minds for thoughts and behaviors that better serve us. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Relax your forehead and feel it go smooth. Relax your eyes. Soften your jaw. Allow your throat to be relaxed and open. Ease your collarbones and chest open. Soften your back. Relax your legs and your feet. Turn your full attention to your breathing. Begin to lengthen and deepen your breathing, all through your nose if that's possible. Extend your exhale even longer than your inhale. Feel more relaxed with each exhale. Picture yourself standing at the bottom of a beautiful staircase. In a few moments, you will be slowly climbing the stairs. Place your hand on the smooth, supportive railing and begin to make your way up. You are almost at the top. Pause here a few steps from the top for a moment. Picture a beautiful glowing ball of energy in your body, right at the base of your spine. Slowly inhale and draw this ball of energy right up to the crown of your head. Hold the energy here at the crown of your head as you continue to take slow, deep breaths. Now climb the final few stairs to the top. Walk to the entrance of a spacious room with a high ceiling and large windows. Enter this room. It is a beautiful space, but it's painted in a color that you've outgrown, a color that is not calming. Wave your hand and change the color to a more soothing, calming color that makes you feel relaxed and uplifted. Notice how that change makes you feel. Something is still not quite right. Look around. In one corner there is a messy clutter of boxes. These boxes are filled with habits that don't serve you. They are filled with thoughts that don't serve you. Some contain events and slights from the past that continue to torment your mind. Notice how that ugly clutter of boxes makes you feel. You've been keeping these boxes, hoarding these boxes, but why? Why do you need any of this stuff that's lurking in the corner? It in no way helps you to keep them constantly around, taking up space. Some of this stuff comes from other people. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Let me say that again. These are wise words from the Dalai Lama. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Some of the things in the boxes are mistakes you've made. The lessons you learned are inside you. You don't need to keep the boxes and relive those mistakes. It's time to forgive yourself for being human and for making mistakes. You are going to clear away all these boxes that belong to the past out of this beautiful space. They do not serve your highest potential. Consciously choose now to get rid of these thoughts that don't serve you or uplift you, and wave your hand to clear the boxes one by one. Clear the last of them away. They're gone. Turn to face the windows. Breathe in gratitude for this fresh space. A space that is free for you to invite in the thoughts that are for your highest good. Inhale and fill your heart with helium. Feel it floating up. Bring a smile into your eyes and lips, and feel an expanding sense of peace. Remain here in this beautiful place that you've created for as long as you like.